Oh. Very nice place this is. If you're into superstitious stuff, are you into supernatural stuff, Andreas?
Are
you into supernatural stuff?
No, not this.
You can get your soul cleansed here if you want.
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm definitely sure.
Okay. Här bakom har vi Lappporten. It's a very famous mountain here in Norrbotten, here in Lappland. It has a special look. Alltså varför blandar jag engelska och svenska? Jag tar det igen, vänta. Yeah, here behind you have Lappporten, which is a very famous mountain because it looks like a port, like a gateway. It's very popular here in Lapland. It is on many postcards and many paintings and all sorts of stuff. Yep. Yeah, this is Torneträsk behind us, the lake. It's called Torneträsk. Yep, that's what it's called.